Mistplay account deletion removes access to your account, so you should check your balance and rewards before requesting removal. By the end, you'll know where to look for account options, what to check before deleting, and what to do if you change your mind after submitting a request. To delete a Mistplay account, start by opening the Mistplay app and signing in with the account you want to remove. Open the account or profile section and look for the settings or account management options available in the app. Before deleting anything, check your current unit's balance and any pending rewards. Account removal can affect access to your progress, rewards history, and account information. If you decide to continue, use the account deletion option if it appears in your settings. Follow the instructions shown by Mistplay and confirm that you want to remove the account. If you cannot find a deletion option, use Misplay's support channel from the app or their official help resources. Provide the email address connected to your account and explain that you want the account deleted. Make sure you use the correct account details when contacting support. Using a different email address can make it harder for support to locate your account. If you only want to stop notifications or stop using the app temporarily, you may not need to delete your account. Changing notification settings or uninstalling the app are different from deleting your account. After requesting deletion, avoid creating a new account with the same details until you know the original account process is complete. This helps prevent confusion with account records. If you have rewards, screenshots of your balance or important account information can help you keep a record before deletion. Do this before confirming the final removal request. The main points are simple. Check your rewards first, use the account settings or Mistplay support option to request deletion, and confirm that you are removing the correct account. Your next step is to open Mistplay, check your account settings, and decide whether you need full deletion or only a temporary break. If this guide helped you fix your Mistplay account issue, subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides and like the video.